This is
This is
his ticket.
this is his ticket.
Okay, all right. Very good. All right, let's repeat. Okay. Say, what is it? It is a fox.
What is it? It is a fox.
Good. He is sitting and thinking.
He is sitting and thinking.
Good.
Thinking.
Thinking, yes. Give it to him.
Give it to him.
This is his ticket.
This is his ticket.
Yeah, okay. Very good. Now, I want you to read by yourself, okay? All right, let's see here. Let me write. Okay, read by yourself.
自己读
ZG2. Okay,
What?
ZG2. Okay, there you go. Read by yourself.
What is it?
Yeah.
It is a fox.
Correct.
He is sitting and thinking. Give it to him.
Say give it. Give it.
Give it to him.
No, give it. Give it.
Give it to him.
Okay. Give it to him.
Add. Give
It.
add to him.
Not at. It. Give
Add.
it. Give it to him. This one?
Give add to him. This is his ticket.
You're right. Very good. Okay. So let's go to the next one. Okay. So let's listen. Okay. We have letter. Oops. So we have the letter A and the letter B. All right. Just as the same as before.
Okay.
All right. Number 1.
pig pig
A.
pig pig
A. All right. Very
A.
good. Letter A. Good job. All right. Then the next one. Let's listen.
kite kit kite kit
A. All right. This one. Say kite kit.
再听一下。
Okay, let's try.
kite kit
Say
Kite 哦 ，kite 这个 B B B
B. Very good. It's the letter B. And finally, the last one that we have is, all right, let's listen.
take 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 take
A.
A. Very good. Correct. Good job. Now that's correct. Yes. Okay. So let's repeat the words today. So number 1, say E. Say pick. Say pick.
Pig. Peg.
Pick. Good.
Peg.
Kit. Say kit.
Cat.
Kit.
Cat.
Then tick.
Tick.
Yes. All right. Very good. Okay.
Cat.
Then.
What to A?
All right. That's the answer.
A.
Yes. You want to check? There you go. A.
A.
All right. Let's go to the next one. So what is this? It says read the words and choose the correct picture. So we have here A and B.
A
Alright.
seed.
Okay. Read the word.
Seed.
Sit. Say sit.
Seed.
Sit. Okay. Is it letter A
Seed.
or B?
Give.
Oh no.
A.
This one.
A.
Okay. Is it
Seed.
A
A.
or B? A. Very good. That's right.
Mm.
A. Good job. This one here is say stand. Say stand. Stand.
Stand.
Stand.
Stand.
All right. What is this word?
Give.
Give. Is it A or B?
B.
B. Very good. Now this other one is say right. Okay, right. Right.
Right.
Right.
Here.
Okay. What is the last word we have?
Take it. Take it.
Take it. Yes, something like this. Say take it. Say take it. Take it. So is it
Take it.
very good. Okay, one more time. Is it A or B?
A.
A. Okay, very good. Correct. It's letter A. Now let's practice on that. So we have here these two words. Say take it. Take it. Say, let me hear it.
Get.
Say take it.
Take it.
No, not ticket. Say take. Take it.
Take it.
Good. Take it. And this one is T. Take it. Say
Take it.
good. Take it. Take it.
Take it.
Okay, good. All right. So that's good.
Another.
All right.
Take it.
Okay. All right. So good work. Now let's have now the reading. Okay, here we go. So let's listen to the dialogue first. Okay, let's listen to the dialogue. Here we go.
Hi, May. How's it going?
Great. And how are you doing?
Just so-so. Thank you.
Okay, let's listen again. Okay.
Hi, May. How's it going?
Great. And how are you doing?
Just so-so. Thank you.
Just so. Okay, let's practice to read. Say, hi, May. Hi, May.
House.
No. Hi,
Tôi rồi.
hi, May.
Hey.
No.
Me.
Okay. No, say, read after me. Okay, read after me. So, hi, say, hi, May.
Hey. Me.
Hi, May. Then say, how's it going?
How's it going?
Very good. Then May says, great.
Great.
And how are you doing?
And how are you doing?
Just so. Thank you.
Just so. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Okay, so let's practice now. Okay, here.
Hey. Me. Great.
Okay. All right, so let's read. So let's read the woman, I will read the man. Okay? Say, hi, May. How's it going?
Great. And how are you doing?
Okay, just so. Thank you. All right, very good. So now let's do the reverse. Oh, no. Let's do the reverse here. Okay, read the man and I will read the woman. Okay?
Hey, May. How's it going?
Great. And how are you doing?
Just so. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Then can you find the three words with the I sound?
Hey, ever.
Huh?
What's
Okay.
going on?
This is hi. This is hi.
At. At. At.
At
Mm.
what at?
It.
I.
Eight.
I. It. Yes. I.
Mm.
It. What else? There's three.
Great.
说
不是，这个不是。Great.
Great. No. I. Great. No, it's not.
灭了。
那你说那
哎，删除。
Don't worry.
嘿，这个。
Okay, I will show you.
One.
The answer is, all right, there you go. Say it, and
哦，
then
这个。
going. Yes, going, and then doing.
Going. 哦
Doing.
Doing.
Yes, very good. Okay, all right. Now let's do a quick practice. All right. Let's see here. Oh, by the way, so where's that? So just so it means this one. All right. Just so.
妈妈。
Not bad, not
Just
good. Just so.
so.
Okay.
妈妈。
All right. Okay.
Just so.
Just so. All right. Here we go. Let's have more practice. Okay. What is your answer here?
see you.
How
Hi.
应该是 say
嗯
how is it going? How's
Good.
it going?
And how's it? Say, how's it going? Okay, very good. Letter C. All right. Very good. Now this one. What's your answer?
Great. And how are you doing?
Yes. Okay, very good. Right. Okay. What do you think?
B. Just so.
Yeah, just so. Okay, very good. That's correct as well. Now, oh,
And
this is
how's
a
it
long
going?
one.
See how's it going?
So number one, say,
Hey, Lisa 是吧 Lisa.
Lisa.
How's it going? How's it going?
记一下，忘了。第二个说呀。
Great. And how are you doing?
And how are you doing? Yes. Okay, number three.
Just so. And you?
And you? No, there's no and. Look, there's no word and here. Okay,
怎么会有 and？
so no
这搜错
and.
了。
Oh, thank you.
Okay, very good. Right, that's
thank you.
right. It's thank you. Okay. Very good. Okay. Then, okay, so it's review time now. It's time to review what we learned. So,
Yeah.
let's do a quick review. Today, you learned the sound. The Please read.
A
Say who.
A
Read.
who S at
Okay. Who is
is
it? This one.
S at it
It.
said
Sit.
give teacher ticket
Okay. Not
ticket
T. No. Not T. T. Ticket.
ticket.
Ticket. Yes. Ticket. All right.
Mm.
And the last one.
Hey Meg, how's it going? Great. And how are you doing? Just so.
Okay.
Thank you.
Very good. Okay. Good job. All right. So that's it for today's lesson. I like you very much. You are a very exciting student. So study them so that you will always remember and you will not forget. Okay? All right. So that is all,
Okay.
Yvonne. Thank you. See you
Okay.
next time. Have a good night. Say bye bye.
Thank you, teacher.
You are
Bye
welcome.
bye.
Bye.